3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by layer using materials like plastic, metal, or resin. The process begins with a digital 3D model, which special software slices into hundreds of thin, horizontal layers. The printer's nozzle moves in precise patterns, depositing material exactly where needed while following the digital blueprint. From medical prosthetics to aerospace parts, 3D printing revolutionizes manufacturing across numerous industries. Advanced applications include bioprinting human tissues and creating custom medical implants tailored to each patient. As technology advances, 3D printing continues to transform how we design, prototype, and manufacture products worldwide.